So here is your first look at the Yeezy 700 V2 in the cream colorway. These are amazing. I absolutely love them. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing of the latest Yeezy 700 in the cream colorway, and both of these are retail pairs, and I actually managed to pick them up for retail price, which is quite amazing. So I won both of these on the Confirmed app. Obviously I had two entries, two different phones, so managed to pick up two pairs, so I was really lucky. One I've pretty much unboxed already, and this one I've half unboxed, but yeah. But before we get into this video, I'd like to give a big shout out to Legitmark, who are the sponsors of today's video. So Legitmark is the standard for sneaker authentication, so it's the safest place to get your sneakers authenticated. So if you are purchasing a pair from a second-hand market and you want to get them checked, make sure they are legit. Legitmark is the place to do that, so their link is in the description. So here's the two pairs. They are different sizes, so I'll open this one up and you'll see it is a tiny size. The receipt's in the box, but I don't really want to show you that. So here is the two boxes. Obviously it comes in the standard Yeezy 700 box, which you've seen a million times. And if I give you a close-up of the label, it says Yeezy Boost 700 V2 and GY7924 is the color code, and it says cream, cream, cream. The second one is the UK 6, which is worth quite a bit of money, so I'll probably keep hold of these until summer and then probably resell them at some point. I have noticed that if you did buy your pair straight from Adidas, it does come with an extra sticker on the box, but I'm not going to show you it because it does actually have the order number on it, but just to let you know there is another sticker on the box. So we'll open it up, take a look at the shoes themselves. So here is your first look at the Yeezy 700 V2 in the cream colorway. These are amazing. I absolutely love them. So I will also take out the smaller pair here, unwrap them. They just look so much better when they're small. It's absolutely crazy how good these look. So here are the two retail pairs. This is a really gorgeous shoe. It is very similar to the static pair, which is up here, but obviously the leather panels on the top are that cream color, so it does offer something slightly different. And this is probably my favorite silhouette of the 700 compared to the V1. You can see that they have had a change in pattern and different aspects of the shoe in terms of material, and in my opinion the 700 V2 is so much better. It just has a much more slim look to it. It's not too chunky. I'd say the V1 is slightly too bulky. This one just looks a lot better on foot, and the color choices they've used, really good indeed. I'm a neutral tones kind of guy, and this fits it perfectly. The creams, the grays, the beiges, my perfect color. So if I give you a close-up of the materials, you can see you have that classic V-shaped toe box, which is in a kind of nubuck suede material, really premium quality, and the colors vary on the sides. So as you go away from the V-shaped toe, then it comes to a more creamy nubuck material around the laces, and then on the side panels we have this 3M material which shines really brightly when you use flash on it. They look really clean in person. On the bottom part of the upper material there is this leather panel here. Not really sure what this adds, just apart from a different aspect aesthetically, but once again leather quality is really good indeed. And what I am surprised about, and have been surprised about because I've had this pair before, is how light this shoe is. For such a chunky dad shoe, this shoe is incredibly light. Like, I would say it's almost the same weight as a Yeezy 350 V2. Spinning the shoe upside down, we have that black tread on the bottom, and yes, this shoe does come with Boost, so they are incredibly comfy. And for most people, this is a daily wearer because of how comfortable this shoe is. Like I said earlier in the video, you would go half a size up for this shoe. It does fit like a Yeezy 350 V2, so half a size up from your true to size. And it does break in pretty easily, so it will be really comfortable straight out of the box. Across the upper we have a really cushioned soft tongue, which is really comfortable when walking. Then we have rope laces on the top, which do have 3M interwoven material in them, so the laces do shine as well as the side material. Where do I start on the small pair though? Look how good they are. In a small size, these look amazing, and it's probably one of my favorite silhouettes for a girl to wear. I just think they look so good in small sizes. So purchased these from Adidas Confirmed, got really lucky with 2 pairs. I know quite a lot of people missed out on these, and the price I think will go up on these. So if you are going to purchase a pair, I would say purchase them now, because for summer, these are going to absolutely kill it. I can see these being a real summer shoe. And as we know from the static colorway, the prices just went up. So for a cheaper alternative to them, I would say purchase these. Really, really clean colorway, great shoe. 700 V2 is a brilliant, brilliant shoe. I have the Vanta full black ones as well, and I wear them every single day. So my verdict of these is probably a 10 out of 10. Couldn't have done anything better for me. Cream colorway, 700 V2. Banger. Absolutely love it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Please subscribe, like, do all that. Really does help the channel grow. But hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you very much.